Welcome back to Tampah Hills. Oh my god! Good to see you. Welcome to our lot. So here we are for the next 15 days. We're gonna try to nail at least the whole design. Actually, we even signed today with Ewan that we have 15 days to do basically the whole design phase of our places. I'm gonna do multiple videos around this whole project. And when we were but you know what? Let's go back in time when we were still at home, me in LA and Ocean in Stockholm, doing our casual weekly meeting, chatting about the house, the concept and everything. So you see the plot of land is 800 square meters and it has this like curved side. On top of that, it is very steep. The whole layout of the house will not be more than 200 square meters. 2 bedrooms and 1 living room. What do you think?
Yeah, and I think it's gonna be like quite a symmetrical house. We just need to make it quite narrow.
Look at the sketches I was doing with Jacob back in the days. I mean, I had no clue.
Don't start here.
So if you look at this one, this gives a better idea of what the house layout would be. It follows the plot of land. So we have the sunrise bedroom, the sunset bedroom, and the pool in the middle that connects everything. Do we still agree the house being surrounded with water? It was my dream to have the island on an island, like the mise en abîme, where it's like the water will actually be all around the house and it protects the house itself.
Yeah, 100%. Imagine lighting that up also in the evening and you have the water all around.
And for the inside, you know, a like round shape everywhere where everything just flows and doesn't have harsh angles. And why not even having a little sunk down area in the living room, which means that when you remove the pillows, you can skateboard in that little bowl. So it's like a mini bowl in the middle of the living room. What do you think about that?
I think that we need to get this project really going because we don't want to get too old so we can't skate it then. But if you do it as a fun, good, cool feature that is actually still livable, absolutely. Why not?
Yeah, we want to be a bit special, right?
And we want to have a refined, nice luxury villa, but with these features that actually fit in a good way.
And that's why we get along quite well, I think. It's actually insane the amount of stuff we've already been thinking about over the past weeks on those meetings. It has been like non-stop. Let's go actually back in the future where we already have a good idea of how it should look like. Alrighty, guys. Can you tell me a better way to wake up than this? Seriously, I don't think anything beats a morning surf at 6 o'clock, plus a shower on the beach, and plus a breakfast with friends. Oh, can I order some betadine?
Betadine? Sure.
You're gonna be the one that...
Alcohol and betadine.
Yeah, not too bad.
Come on, now rub it.
No. Harder. I was trying to rub it in the shower, but it was just... Thank you. You're a good friend.
You're welcome. I'm always here to give a shot.
Always a croissant, especially when it's homemade. Okay, bon appetit, guys. Apparently I'm the only one because that takes forever to film, so eventually now I can enjoy.
I'm taking my time. I do a round, have a coffee, go for another round.
I mean, that's the beauty here. You come early, that means you have 3 hours to eat.
We just like to sit here for a long time. Oh, yeah, you're waking up now. Yeah, we went surfing.
Exactly, yeah.
We should put the boards next to us here.
Yeah. We should like
go wet our hair every like 15
stack
minutes.
them.
Don't take away the leash and when it gets something new, like bring the
Drag the, yeah, exactly. You just walk like this. Someone is prepared, some others are tourists.
You have 2 options when you're having breakfast and a rainstorm comes in. Either you get dressed or you get undressed.
Exactly. That's why you only leave with board shorts here, because if they get wet, they dry instantly.
I only brought 3, I should brought 5 because that's all you need.
Yeah, exactly. Cheers. Cheers. Wow! It is slightly raining. There we go. It's serious. Oh my god. Oh!
saying, bending my head backwards.
Did you find the solution?
I think so. So the issue I had was that we had everything beautiful, everything great. For the moments when you want to be inside with AC, didn't have a solution.
Yeah,
But
because it's nice. Now we're indoor, AC, and it feels nice.
Yeah, and it's some times of the year you want to be outside, but luckily the size of this thing means I don't have to pick. But so what I did is I moved this bedroom.
Yeah.
So it's like just mirrored it, and then I have this here now is enclosed. So then you can have dinner table, because I mean most of the time you order food, so you don't need the full kitchen.
Yeah.
So indoor dining table connected with indoor seating group, and then outdoor seating group here,
Next to it.
and then outdoor dining here. And if we look here, I was gonna do.
I was about to say now it looks like a tablet.
You have the rock out there. So the pool is facing the rock. So meaning if we sit here on indoor seating, we are actually sitting almost the same direction as we're sitting in this sofa.
Which is still aiming straight down like this.
So
it's pretty much like that corner over there, like this one.
That's why drawing houses sitting up here is
magical.
Ocean, you have to come and approve the idea. Should we turn off that so you can be honest? Like on camera, you know, it's good when you're vlogging to be like positive. Okay. Yeah, that's good. And like,
okay, this was actually shit. Like I don't like it.
I mean, come on, dude.
I still don't like the design anyway. You know, I prefer ours with Ocean. Okay, so after a long day spent inside at Villa Beau with Yoon, trying to come up with designs, and Mr. Ocean actually managed to learn SketchUp within an afternoon. And I haven't seen anything. I was doing some other stuff, and he said, "Do you want to check what I'm doing?"
It's a concept, at least.
He even planted a forest. Oh my. He even added textures and colors and... Oh, that's insane.
So maybe this one, yeah, as I said.
Wow. Just
How
a
much you want?
CrossFit rack and then a tiny bit of dumbbells. Oh my god, this is so sick. So yeah, the lot is a bit steep in that end, so it's nice to have some double flooring.
I mean, we're still gonna need to excavate and do all of the reinforcements, so it
might use it.
Top of that one, we got double bedroom. The size on this one is gonna be probably a bit more in the back, so we can fit like wardrobes, stuff like this, bathroom, everything. Then we did this, not courtyard,
with the holes in the wall behind.
Yes, behind to the living room and into the bedroom. So it's like a natural light box, a little overflow pool. Yeah, the wooden deck stretches out to this bedroom over here, and then when we move around,
the entrance. Because we were like thinking, he found a super cool design that looked like a portal.
Mysterious, not giving away too much before you're actually in the house.
Yeah, because that's the beauty with that plot. You enter from the top. You won't see the house when you enter, basically. I'm wondering if the island would still work. Could still work,
absolutely.
And how much added cost that would be just for the island. But it would look so sick from above, like having this water all around.
And apparently, as you see, not in the center. That's how it is when
That's
you
how
know.
it is. It's not about the precision, it's about the visuals.
Yeah, this is sort of what we sent to the architect, and from that point we take it to the engineers to actually be like, okay, how are we going to manage to do it?
Fuck, I'm impressed. It was like a solid 6-hour computer non-stop geeking.
Yeah, it's like Yoon said, like you just
you
get stuck
in
like
it.
I don't know, it's 10.
Oh my god. Wow. Okay, should we do this? It's the weekend, it's Sunday, it's 10:30, and you've been cranking it since 7 a.m. I was like, we need to pause it. We need to do a little bit of a workout so we can head over to the breakfast before it's too late.
It's just so hard to stop sometimes.
That's how you know it's the right person to work with, because once you get head down into the project and you don't want to stop, that's usually a good partner.
Yeah, okay.
That shit, let's go work out. And also, because we're releasing a C'est Normal Athletic collection, also what you're rocking now, I will go into detail about this, but it's basically stuff that I've been trying over the past years of working out, and now I think we really nailed it and made some cool items. We're gonna evolve it into so many more items in the future. So yeah, little leg workout. And since we don't have that much time, it's just gonna be a quick one, 15-20 minutes, which is enough to make you sweat. Oh my god.
Good man.
Done with the legs. This is such an easy, quick workout. Takes 15 minutes, 5 series of each. Pistol squats, jumping lunges, jumping squats. 15 minutes, I bet. Try it. Next day you'll have fucking soreness. And it is insane, right? It's so good. No requirements. Nothing. So welcome back to Tampah Hills. And we're gonna do a full tour of Villabo.
Oh, yeah.
The reward.
Cheers for doing this a lot more often.
Welcome to Villa Gem, Mr. Ocean, where we're gonna spend the next 10 days. Have a gigantic pool and way too much space for both of us.